Now, as a member of the Collegium Fabricatignare, in Rome that is, I get to test quite a few tools that come along once in a while. Today, we're going to look at a Roman frame saw from the forts at Gradistea Munceluliu in Dacia. If I pronounce that right, hopefully. What we'll do is we'll set it all up for sewing. There we are, nice and safe. And as we can see, it's a frame saw. This has a hand-cut blade socketed with a handle. And we'll see how well this Roman saw cuts. Rather well. The Roman frame saw from Gradistea Munceluliu.